Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to bring you another video today. I had a request when I did Living My Best Life video, which I'll link up here. How did I roll my hair? Because I showed you like taking it out, or I think I showed you like putting one in but taking it out mostly. And so I didn't really go into depth about it. So I got a request like, how did I do my rollers? And I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and show that because I'm gonna put them in today and I might as well just film it for you guys. My hair is very long, like very long. These are like old school rollers. Like I got these from my mom. I've always loved rollers and I love all types of rollers, but these are the rollers that I have. They're called hot rollers when I say rollers, and they have these little, I guess, I don't know what these would be called, like prongs. A lot of them got lost, so I work with what I work with. There's certain ways on how to roll your hair. You can go straight down and then make the four corners and then roll out that way, or you can just like roll. However you really style your hair is how it really depends. Me, I just stick them in my head. You can really use rollers for like old school Hollywood looks, a pinup. What else? Section that as one section. Let me get some clips. That's gonna be, is it gonna stay? Aww. 5 hours later, let's get started on the second hair. The power went out, obviously you saw, and it came back up maybe 40 minutes later, 30 minutes later. So I just went ahead and I finished up a little bit more of my makeup. What I did was I just sectioned the top. I'm not really too worried about the sides, so I'm just going to, I'm gonna grab this, okay? I just grabbed a section from the back, this size right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it all the way to the bottom and wrap, and then just like roll up. This is not going to be neat, this is going to be fast, because I feel like when you're messy with it, it comes out the best. So I'm taking this one and I'm just, oh wait, shit. Like that. See? It's messy as hell, it's going to be. So do the exact same thing on this side, and you can even cut it, but I don't have enough. I do not have enough rollers, and like I said, this is gonna be really messy. I'm gonna take a big one actually. I probably should have did that on the other side. So just roll it. I mean, if you think about it, it's all gonna be curly. I'm pretty sure there's a reason why you do it a certain way, but I just don't have time. Taking a bigger one, and I'm just taking it like that. Voila. And I'm gonna take a bigger one on this side. I like to just mix up the sizes, just cause it keeps the bitches guessing. Another one. Bigger roller. And just, oh my god, this is so hard. This is so difficult. And pin it. But take another one. For this top, I'm gonna take a bigger one too. Another bigger one. So This is gonna look crazy. This is not gonna look neat. I think by now you know I'm not neat at all, so. I feel like I have like this middle strand. I'm gonna take a little one. That's probably not a good idea, but whatever. And these all come with sizes, so shit. What you want to do is you want to take it from you want to go from the bottom and push up. And how you want to do it is you see this like little foot that is going to go underneath, so it'll go like, so your hair is rolled up, the foot is going to go on top of your scalp so that it's holding onto your scalp, if that makes sense. And remember, how you wrap it is how the curl is going to form. So if like this way, since I'm rolling like inwards, my curl is going to be inwards. I was going to split these two up, but I just don't have enough. I feel like I've lost more. Okay, so there's that. And now let's do the top. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna take a bigger one or a medium-sized one, and I'm gonna just roll it inward. And you wanna try to make it as tight as you can, but you know, it's all right. Practice makes perfect, guys. I literally only have 2 more pins. There you have it, guys. Just like that. It looks like a hot mess, but you just wait. So I'm gonna let these cool down. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face and doing my makeup, and then I will be back and I will take them out and we will see the finished look. Okay. Alright guys, so I am done with the face makeup and I have completed this look. For the most part, they feel like they're not warm anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start in the back. Well, that's what you wanna do. You wanna start where you wanna start where you started from the beginning. Hold. Oh my god. Ah. Ah. And then just slowly just roll it out. There you go. And you got a curl. A fucked up one, but it's a curl. I'm gonna fast forward through this because it's not that hard. Just take them off the way you put them on. Okay. What I like to do is literally just take a comb. You can go through it with your fingers. If you want to put product in your hands and style it, you can. You can go real old Hollywood style with it. Very 80s business-like, very wedding, however you want to do it. So this really works when, say you're a traveling makeup artist and you're doing hair and makeup too. You can always do this. I love how this will always shape, and then you can easily, like, look, I look like me on my wedding day. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on hot rollers. It's very like old school on how to do your hair, but I find it like if I'm just like putting them in my hair and then do my makeup real quick, you know, I can get a lot of stuff achieved. So I really like this look. I like that I can just kind of, my hair will just go wherever and it's gonna look like a curl. So yeah, if you do have hair that does not hold a curl, make sure to prep your hair first with some like some styling cream or some styling mousse, or even like a styling spray while the hot rollers are in, so that way when you take them down they still give you some hold. I don't really have that issue, so my hair will stay like this for a couple of days until I'm ready to wash it. That is how I roll my hair, in no special way, just I just wanted to show you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so that way you know when I upload. I try to upload every Thursday and Sundays, so I'm going to try to stick to that routine for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.